Hey guys, Rhett here. What's going on? At my client Cyrus's Section 8 rental property, guys. I did a video of this house a while ago, and I've linked it in the description below of what it looked like, really kind of in the middle of the construction process. More so, we had just rewired it, and we were just about to replumb it, and it was just destroyed. Guys, Cyrus bought this house for, I think, $30,000. I'm gonna have to double check, but this house was absolutely in shambles. It's been completely re-sided with all new vinyl, brand new HVAC. It actually had a brand new roof on it, so we didn't do a brand new roof, but we did everything else. So full replumb, full rewire, all new cosmetic. It was a 2-bedroom, we turned it into a 3. Brand new kitchen, brand new bathroom. I'll come on in here and I want to show you what it looks like now. So guys, we did all new windows throughout this whole house. And a lot of times people will say, Rhett, what is the capability of the construction companies that you work with or that you have? And we can do whatever. And this is an example of just about a full gut remodel of everything. And it came out phenomenal. Now, we still have to clean it up a little bit. We had to go to the attic this morning. So, and I'll show you, there's a little bit of debris just with come through here and sweep. But this is a just about finished product. This is about 99.5% done. Some very, very little small things that our Section 18 will do when they come through here and just tighten it up just a tad bit to make sure that we have success on that first inspection. But I want to kind of show you around a little bit. So this is the living room. And please, guys, if you haven't seen the original, stop right here, pause this video, go into the description, watch the first one, see what this looked like before so you can really appreciate this. But this is what we do. This is the quality that we give our tenants that nobody else matches. And when somebody moves into this house, it's a brand new house. Nobody else can compete with this. And in Section 8, it's a free market. So a lot of people think that when you put a Section 8 rental property out there, you just get a tenant. And that's not true. You're fighting against other investors. You're competing. It's just like anything else. Competition is good because it makes us and makes our product rise to the top. It's why we get the best tenants. It's why we get them faster than a lot of other people do, is because the products are significantly better. So you walk in here, guys, everything in here is new. So I usually walk through and say, oh, this is new, this is new. Everything in here is new. It's got a brand new ceiling. It's got all brand new walls. It's got brand new windows, new wiring, new outlets, new switches, new ductwork, new kitchen, new everything. So everything's new. You walk in here, we have our kitchen, okay, brand new countertops, brand new cabinets, brand new microwave, new windows, new outlets. We put a water connection for a refrigerator if we're gonna run water to it. This back room back here, we have an exit to a deck out back. We have our electrical. You're wondering why this isn't GFCI. Doesn't have to be because it's protected at the brand new electrical meter box. So 2024 code right here. If we didn't have a brand new electrical panel and didn't have a GFI protected at the breaker, this would have to be a GFI. It doesn't have to be here. Okay, so brand new washer dryer hookups. We have our big 220 volt for the dryer. That's your dryer vent cap right there as well. So take that off and put your vent through here. We have a brand new water heater here as well. So brand new water heater right here, which is really nice. So this back half of the room is your water heater room. It's your washer dryer room that you can close off from the rest of the house, okay? So brand new sink, all new hardware, everything brand new here. Put a brand new window there as well. So everything looks amazing. Now, when I say 99.5% done, it's 99.5% done for reasons like this. So all brand new ductwork, all new ventilation throughout the entire house. Looks amazing. I'm so happy with how this turned out, okay? So guys, originally, we didn't have, this was only a 2-bedroom. It was a very small 2. We turned it into a 3. I couldn't be happier with how it is. This little, we had guys in the attic just doing up some final wiring. So that's just some junk on the floor. But built this closet right here, okay? looks absolutely amazing. This was a bedroom that didn't exist, so really, really nice. I think this is the one we created. It could have been the one next door. You guys will know better than me after you watch that video. But then we have our bedroom right here, okay? So we have our closet, built this as well. Again, brand new windows. So this is bedroom number 2. Thrilled about this. We have our brand new electrical panel in right here too. So you guys can see these are all of your GFCI protections. They're at the panel, okay? So instead of having a GFI, you have your actual breakers, and then you have your protections right there. Okay, so that's brand new electrical code. Right. Bedroom 3. Beautiful. I think in the initial video that we had, this room was gutted. There might have been like a toilet or something in here, and all the walls were ripped open. As you guys can see, you can't even tell. There used to be a door right here. Can't even tell. Everything in here is so nice. I'm absolutely thrilled with it. And then lastly, we come to the rear half of the home, and we have our brand new bathroom. So brand new tub, brand new toilet, brand new sink, and brand new vanity, and it's just super nice. So I literally couldn't be happier for Cyrus. When you do projects like this, guys, you just get so passionate about it, because who is not going to want to live in this house? I mean, this is a literal brand new construction house. It's got new everything. So when you think about it, every mechanical in this whole house is new. All of the drywall is new. The flooring, new. Everything in the kitchen, everything in the bathroom, all the doors, everything's brand new. It's important because it'll fly off the rental market, but there's no maintenance in this. So when Cyrus goes to do a cash out refinance on this, pulls his equity out and rolls it into the next property, Cyrus is a big proponent of the BRRRR method. When that happens, he takes the money, buys something else. This is the definition of set it and forget it. People say in real estate investing, it's not passive, it's very active. But when you do stuff like this, there's not much to manage. This house is beautiful. What are the possible maintenance items? I mean, the majority of things here are going to be warranted for a long time. So unless you have tenant error, where they are flushing things they shouldn't be, or the kids are roughhousing and someone throws a baseball into a wall and breaks a piece of drywall, which both of those would be tenant responsibilities. There's no owner responsibility here, which is just amazing. So this outcome is what we produce, and this is why I'm so proud of what we do, and this is why I love bringing other people who want to A, make money, and B, create a situation where tenants are happy, comfortable, and really like what they, where they live, and take pride in the properties that they live in. So, when we do stuff in our coaching program, and I work with clients who have the same moral and ethical, we are aligned, this is the outcome. And that is why we do what we do. Don't get me wrong, it's a business, we're gonna make money. But when you put a tenant in a house like this, you can't help but feel really good about it. So guys, thanks for watching. If you guys wanna be like Cyrus, send me an email in the description below. We'll get started. Leave your questions, comments, and we'll see you next time.